Aloha everybody, Seeley here. Today we are in Maui. I'm with my homie.
Kamale.
And today we're going to talk to you about expressions. Kamale is one of the best, I would say one of the best models I've worked with on Maui. She's got a mastery of her face. She has a mastery of, I can't say a lot of things, yeah. Pretty much her face is really good. What is something that you always think about when you are modeling? Well, how do you get your face to look good?
Blank mind, just work the face. Don't think about anything. Because the more you think, the more you look awkward.
I gotta get up because I'm like armpit level.
Can you smell it?
Yeah. Do you think about anything in general, or do you just know how to do your face?
I think it's muscle memory in your face, because the more you think, the more that you think about what your face is doing, the more, what's that word?
I wasn't listening. I'm listening to their conversation. I'm sorry.
But my deepest, darkest secret is that I'm thinking about shave ice and food. Just think about food.
So think about absolutely nothing. Yeah, like that. Show angry. You don't want to have the frown from up here, because that's going to make it look like you're pissed off. Now show, not like that, please. Show something, show the shave ice look. So naturally, I love that. So naturally, when you have someone that thinks about something delicious, the eyes, you're going to, family show. If you look at the under eye is going to squint a little bit from the bottom part and not so much from the top. Squint from the bottom again. Good, perfect. And then when you think about food, a lot of times you'll get the mouth to be a little bit more, well, not like that. The mouth oftentimes will give a better expression as well when you think about something that you really, really want. You have any other tips for photographers to try to pull out an expression from a model?
Tell jokes. Tell us a joke.
Tell us a joke. So 2 flies land on a piece of poo. One of them farts. The other one says, "Hey, I'm trying to eat." Because 2 flies land on a piece of poop.
I don't get it.
2 flies land on a piece of poop.
2 flies land on a piece of poop. One says...
One farts.
One farts.
The other one says, "Hey, I'm trying to eat." Because they land on poop. You don't like it? It's my favorite joke.
Try again. Cut. It's like, it should smell good to them.
Exactly.
Oh.
That's the point.
Oh, I get it now.
Oh my goodness. It's bad when you have to describe and explain the joke.
I'm sorry.
It's my favorite joke. She didn't get it.
Okay. It was a good one.
That's my favorite joke, and she just wrecked it. Any other tips on expressions?
Bring your models food. Then they'll love you and do whatever you want. Tell them smile, they'll smile. Their smiles will be so big. Bring them a fat pizza and a shave ice.
And a shave ice.
Oh my God, you know flatbread pizza? Have you eaten
right over
there?
here? Yeah.
So good.
We went to, you started drooling, I saw that. Yeah.
Sorry.
Hopefully you got something good. Be sure to follow her on social media. I'll post down her links down below. Until the next video, just keep shooting and hopefully you get better.
Let's go eat shave ice now.
Yeah.
Bye, bitches.